Barnold, are you there? Barnold is coming. Barnold, is it really you?
Yes, I am the ghost of Barnell's future. I have been sent to assassinate you before you wipe out the Barnell population. Scree. He had a heart attack and died. I need to get away.
Barn Owl. I heard on the news how you gave that boy a heart attack.
But Snowy Owl, it was an accident. I just wanted to give him a good scare for entering my barn.
It does not matter. You still killed him.
Please don't ground me. It is a very bad cliché.
I don't care, I will still ground you. Barn Owl, how dare you give a kid a heart attack? That's it, you're grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 years. Go to your barn and sleep forever.
Let's see how Great Hornell thinks of this.